In this GlowShift gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift fuel pressure thread adapter into your 2004 to 2007 Ford truck with a 6.0 Powerstroke. Start by removing the coolant bypass hose if it is obstructing installation. Remove the air intake box using a screwdriver. Remove the intercooler pipe using an 8mm socket. Locate and remove the factory plug in the fuel filter housing using a 6mm Allen key. Thread the fuel pressure adapter into the fuel filter housing and tighten with a 14mm wrench. Thread the fuel pressure sensor into the adapter and tighten with a 22mm wrench. Be sure to hold the adapter with a 14mm wrench so it does not spin. Plug the fuel pressure sensor harness into the fuel pressure sensor and run the opposite end to the firewall. Be sure to keep it away from heat and moving parts by securing the harness with zip ties. Reinstall the intercooler pipe. Reinstall the air intake box. Reinstall the coolant bypass hose if it was removed. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift fuel pressure thread adapter and sensor into your 2004 to 2007 Ford truck with a 6.0 Powerstroke. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.